by Defense Research and Development Organization. The project was started with the objective to provide a platform of database to search all the aerospace testing facility available in academic and research organizations in India. The project has lot of search capabilities. If I click on the search icon, it will it shows me that we can browse the or we can search the testing facilities by selecting the organization, selecting the laboratories, selecting the categories such as aerospace material, aircraft components, dynamic and vibrations, electrical and electromagnetic, and so on and so forth. Besides this, space wise also we can search the airspace testing facility available in India. In addition, users can also use the keyword and subsequently they can click on the search option. Besides this, user can also browse the testing facility by place, by organization, and by category. First I click on the place. Here if I choose the place Delhi and click on the I button search, it shows me if I click on the Bangalore and click on the button search, it shows me all the aerospace testing facility available in the region Bangalore. It shows me the title, organization where the facility is available, laboratory, category, and place. If I click on the icon view, it will show me the detail of the facility available in that particular organization. It contains the year of establishment, test application, test special features, connect person, and subsequently the user can print and save the detail. In addition, user can also browse the testing facility by organization and by selecting the laboratory. Suppose I click on the CSIR and then I click on a CSIR and I click on this button search, it will show me that get back to another keyword CSR and it also gives me no hit. HAL. If I click on HAL, it gives me one hit that has a closed circuit unit organized in HAL Laboratories Aerospace Division and category is wind tunnel testing. And similarly, we can click on the icon view. It shows the detail of the facility available in that particular organization. In addition to place and organize, user can also browse the collection by category wise, like aerospace material, and then click on the icon search. It shows all the facility available by category wise, and similarly we can click on the icon view to know more about the testing facility available under that particular category. If I click on a icon search and if I select the organization DRDO, and then I click on the laboratory ADE, and I select the category aerospace material, and place I will choose Bangalore, and if I use the keyword testing, it shows me 72 hits. I can select any of the record out of the 72 records and can know about more about the testing facility available in that particular organization. In addition, user can also contribute to the project. They have to take a login ID and a password after registering with the project, and subsequently they can contribute to the project if they are aware about any other testing facility which are not included in the project. Project also has some frequently asked questions, such as what are the different wind tunnel tests available in India, who can contribute the aerospace testing facility in this website, is there any possibility to add the existing aerospace testing facility. These help the beginners to know more about this project. The project has also given the useful links such as NAL, HAL, Defense Research and Development Organization websites. So users can go directly from this project website to a particular organizational website. Project has also given the detail of aerospace testing facilities, and these facilities are also listed on this project website. Number of projects are covered under the project such as DRDO, ECIL, ISRO, HAL, IITs, IAS, Bangalore, and so on, so forth and so forth. So overall, the project contains the comprehensive information of aerospace testing facility available in India, and the project outcome will certainly benefited the beginners, researchers, and academicians in the field. With this, I urge to the users in the domain to give us valuable feedback to improve the functioning of this website. Thank you very much.